Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Reolink long-lasting battery pack, ideal for outdoor use. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, that is huge. We have this envelope. Battery Wi-Fi security solutions. For all these cameras I have made a video, you can check down below at the description at the playlist Reolink. Manual, drilling template, Type A to Type C cable, the length it is 1 meter. The adapter from Type C to micro USB. And we have in these tools for mounting at the pole. Some screws here for mounting at the wall. Wow, I just love it, I like the design. Cable length, it is about 30 centimeters. We have the input for charging. You can charge it from a solar panel, Reolink 12 watts solar panel or 6 watts. Or you can use a 5V 2 amp to charge this battery. And the output Type C and Type C input with a cover. Thanks to its IP67 rating and robust all-metal housing, the battery pack is highly durable and prepared for all weather conditions, even extreme outdoor conditions. I like that. We have flexible installation for any environment, no matter where you mount your camera, whether on a house wall using these screws or on a pole. You can use this metal wire. It will fit perfectly and stay securely in place. With 12,800 mAh 92 Wh battery pack, significantly extends your camera's operating time with an output power of up to 15 watts. It provides fast, stable power for uninterrupted security. When paired with a 12 watts Reolink solar panel, the battery pack can charge it at temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. You can plug in the solar panel here. Silicone rubber, it locks, I like that. Pull to remove. Waterproof. Design it for extreme cold. This battery pack reliably powers your camera in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, where conventional batteries often fails. Thanks to solar energy, the battery pack stays charged at all times and provides uninterrupted power. We have two indicators, the on-off button. Press and hold for 1 second to turn on. Green and red are flashing. Then solid on and off. Press once to check, is flashing green. When it's flashing the red indicator, it is in low battery. You can use the included cable to charge this battery. Type C. Or you can use the solar panel. It's flashing green, now it's charging. When it is solid green, that means it's fully charged. It is suitable for all Reolink cameras powered by a battery, such as the Reolink 4K Argus Pan and Tilt Ultra. You can directly connect the Type C output here at the camera. Orange indicator, that means it's charging. Press once to check, is flashing green. And of course, you can connect the solar panel. Or you can connect the Argas 4 Pro with Smart 4K Color X dual lens directly. Here it is the Type-C port, connected, orange indicator, that means it's charging. You can check again. It has a 180 degrees panoramic view. I made a video for each of these cameras. Check them out in the Reolink playlist in the description below. There are so many videos. I'm sure you can find some cameras that it is more suitable for you. I just love it. And of course, if you want, you can use the Type-C to micro USB adapter. Unplug. Plug in. Silicone rubber here and use the micro USB. If you have an oldest Reolink camera. We have 4 screw holes for mounting at the wall, and with this kit metal wire, with these screws and Allen, you can mount it at the pole. Honestly, for anyone with outdoor Reolink cameras, this battery pack is a fantastic upgrade. The extended life means less frequent charging trips, and its robust waterproof design ensures it can handle the elements even through a hot summer or chilly winter. It's an excellent way to boost the autonomy of your surveillance system, providing peace of mind. I truly hope this video has given you a clear understanding of its capacity, its durability, and whether it's the right power solution to keep your outdoor Reolink cameras running for months on end. If you found this video helpful, informative, or simply appreciate reliable outdoor tech, please give it a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech reviews, smart home solutions, and outdoor gear showcases. You can also find links to the Reolink battery pack along with any relevant Reolink cameras or accessories in the description box below. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Stay secure, stay powered, and I'll catch you in the next one.